LCC Aerial Ground Map Fusion combines handheld scanner and drone data to create unified models covering aerial and outdoor environments. This tutorial will walk you through the process. Aerial Ground Map Fusion requires an RTK-enabled XGRIDS Lixel scanner and an RTK mapping drone. Survey your area using satellite imagery or aerial photos. Select 4 to 5 open areas evenly distributed across the site as drone takeoff and landing points. Plan your collection route connecting all points. Power on your Lixel scanner and set the coordinate system to WGS84 in the Lixel Go app. Follow standard LCC collection procedures. Your scanning path must pass through each takeoff and landing point. Complete 2 loop closures within 2 meters of each takeoff and landing point. The core principle of drone photography is ensuring all ground objects of interest in the survey area have greater than 85% overlap. Higher overlap creates more complete model reconstruction. Ground sampling distance should be less than or equal to 1 centimeter. Higher resolution creates clearer models. Power on the drone and set the coordinate system to WGS84. Use Smart Grid Flight Pattern. Frame your survey area on the controller map. Use oblique capture mode, and set GSD to 1 centimeter or below. Set gimbal angle to 45 degrees. Flight height should be set above the tallest building in survey area to ensure flight safety. In advanced settings, set both side overlap and forward overlap to 85%. Tap Start. Drone will automatically fly the planned route. Monitor drone continuously and pause to adjust if needed. After main flight, visit each takeoff and landing point. Point camera at fixed objects visible to both drone and L2 Pro for each takeoff and landing. Capture 30 to 40 photos from ground level to flight height. Lowest point should match Lixel scanner ground collection height. Highest point should match planned flight height. For each takeoff and landing photo sets, maintain greater than or equal to 85% overlap between adjacent photos. We recommend shooting from 3 different directions at each takeoff and landing point to ensure fusion success. Open LCC Studio and click Create. Select Aerial Ground Map Fusion and input project name. Import ground data and drone photos. Click Start to begin processing.